Hello guys, how are you? It's your boy Umas Rahman. First of all, I would really want to say apologize for being delayed. I was not able to make any videos for you guys, any reviews for you guys because I was a little bit sick and now I'm back on track. So today we're going to make a review regarding a really nice tool which is Flipbook. Let me tell you a little bit about it. It's just a great tool. You can get instant access to the world 3D animated flipbook and articles creator cloud-based platform, along with the millions of inbuilt and ebook and article with PLR license. This is one of the you know basic tool which you can convert any type of articles in your ebook platform. It's so simple and so easily. I will show you the demo of this flipbook as well, and also some samples that are already created by the people on the my other page. Don't worry, I will go step by step with this review video so you can see and absorb so many things from there and learn so many things from here, and I also get to learn so many things from this tool as well. This is a professional and fully cloud-based platform. That's the one of the most interesting thing. I hope you will guys agree with me on this one. You can easily make money by selling flipbook, ebook and articles on the Amazon, KDP, Shopify, etc. So basically you can also earn from this platform as well. You make your ebook articles and you can sell them on Amazon and KDP and Shopify. So this is one of the things, if you buy it, obviously you can earn from it as well, and in really short of time. So this is one of the, I think, one of the biggest benefit for you guys. You guys even provide your services on Fiverr as well. I'm gonna do a review video. The next one I'm gonna make is basically, the next video I'm gonna make on Flipbook is between the comparison, how much you can earn from the Fiverr and how much you can earn from the other platforms with this tool. So that's how it will be easy for you to comparison yourself with compare yourself with the other things as well. Let's just get down to the business. You can just see you can see a few steps where you can start how you can start your flipbook and sample, make it easier. Let me go through all this page right here. Right here you can see this article right here. This is basically a sample we make for the by the flipbook to create created by the flipbooks. You can see the outlay, how it's gonna come out, how you can just zoom in, zoom out your whole cover up pages. This is pretty safe. I hope you can agree with me on this one. This is how your output will come when you make an article from flipbooks. This is a demo that I was talking about that will really help you to get to understand this flipbook more and more. Let me just start it for you guys so you can check it out. Sorry for that, I have a little bit cold throat. Okay, this is the main dashboard. You can see you can create your flipbook images, text, PDF, or generate any kind of books. So we start with the flipbook PDF. Just put anything, the article that you come into your mind, resume or portfolio, let's suppose, like on the demo they are doing. Just choose a file. The demo resume is gonna upload it on the open book, and there you go. Come on, get to the link, in frame, got it, go, tada, there you go. You can see your portfolio right here, how it's gonna look like, how it's gonna turn out. It's easy. So let's say we're gonna go with some images. We're gonna create some images with that one flipbook as well, same as a portfolio via images. You can extract from the images and put them on your portfolio as well. Submitted. I turned off the volume because if I turn it on, then you was not gonna able to hear me. But mostly it's some music there, so I think it's better if I just start talking. So uploaded. Yeah. One book, share link, in frame, got it. There you go. There you prefer with the pictures. You can add any kind of pictures there. Link. edit there. With the portfolio you can just submit, or you can just sort out the images wherever you want, which page you want it to be on front, which page you want to be on the last. So basically, if you want even put your text in there, like if you copy paste the article and you want to change something from there, you just go ahead and just copy paste it, and voila, there it is. You can submit the whole article down by one page. There you go. Scan it. It will also do the grammar mistakes for you as well. That's how it's gonna look like with the all. Okay, good. Yeah, share it, in frame, make, edit, done. There is so many. You can see all these trees here. Like, you can name the article whatever you want, whatever it is, and just make the final draft. That's it. So this is one more demo about, you can see here, so for that, but you can also open it and check it out on the website as well. So like I said, this is also have a, if you purchase it right away today, you can get a 30% reseller license as well if you buy it today, and they have a money back guarantee for 30 days. If you don't like it, you can always give it back to get your money, and things will be even. But I don't think so you will be, once you buy it, you're not gonna go back with that. Like, I'm pretty sure about that one. So these are some basic simple steps regarding that one, but the thing I told you about how you can earn with that, that's the main platform about it, and that's the main topic of hand right now. And like I said, on the next video what I'm going to make is that how to earn from this one, and also I will share some tips with you guys, so you can see how you can earn money from this platform as well. And step by step I will just show it to you, and be with me on that one. Get to be with you guys really soon. Thank you so much for your support and love. Kindly make sure to like and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for the notifications. I hope you guys enjoy it, and like I always said in my videos, I always put my link underneath it, so you can click it and buy from there as well. And also, if you guys find something interesting, do let me know. Always comment, let me know if I can improve myself and how we can improve each other, because that's the best thing I can say we can do for each other. Thank you so much for your time. Sayonara.